What's up, SBM gang? I'm back with another tutorial, and y'all know it's no shade, period. So Luvme Hair sent me a bust down HD glueless wig. Y'all, the strap on the back of this wig makes it to where this wig does not move, shake, stumble, nothing. This is a completely glueless wig, and it's literally a hat. You can put it on and off. Now, if you know how to do your baby hairs, that's a plus, because all you need to do is know how to style. But as far as applying this wig, you don't have to put any adhesive for this wig to be secured. And I love it. Now, I did go in and use a little bit of spray just so it can have a temporary hold, because Kelly doesn't like taking her wigs on and off. She likes for them to be stuck on. But see, look, it just gives like it's almost like a big closure wig, like how it works. It's the way they do the sides. The strap is connected to the wig and not the frontal, so that way you can do ear to ear, and it's so shade. I love it. Like, it was so cute and fun to work with. Ooh, ooh. Boop, boop. That's how easy it is. So now that I pulled out my baby hairs and I know where I want them to be, I'm just going in and spraying this lace down so it can be stuck to her skin for about 24 hours. It's a temporary hold, nothing major. This is so easy to install. You can do this at home by yourself. You don't even need a stylist for this type of look. But I just wanted to show you guys how I like to do my glueless installs, and it's no shade. I went in with some paper so that way it could come off easy and clean, and it's already giving me a frontal wig install. 3 layers of bow hold. But oh wait, I didn't use bow hold today. So shout out to Luvme for giving the girls options. You guys already know how important hot combing is, especially when you're doing a glueless slay. You want to show the girls that your wig can still be laid, so you have to actually lay it. Don't be scared to go in piece by piece and hot comb and get your stuff flat and right. Now I'm going in with my shears. Notice I said shears and not scissors, because I ran out of eyebrow razors, so I had to go in with my good scissors and cut this hair off so I can curl my baby hairs and get to styling. Also with the lace, you notice I use shears to cut the lace and not scissors. Shears are extra sharp, so it can still create that jagged edge look that the eyebrow razor does as well. No shade. And for the edges, I did hairspray, because that's another extra layer of, you know, keeping your wig secured. At first I was going to add this fishtail braid. It was so cute. But then I was like, I don't know if I placed it in the right area. I've been seeing the girls putting fishtails in their hair. My very first hairstyle I learned how to do was fishtail braids. So I'm like, oh my god, not fishtails in style now. But I didn't like where I placed it, so I was like, I'm just going to stick with the wand curls. Y'all always ask me how to do wand curls, so I'm showing y'all. You take the hair and you wrap it. Period. It's no shade. I spray the hair beforehand. And once you're done wand curling that hair, you want to just comb them out with a wide tooth comb. Some people like to leave the curls like that, but me, I need volume, body, yaddy, yaddy, and sexiness. So I'm combing my curls every time. Shout out to Luvme Hair for sending me this buzz down glueless wig. This wig was everything. All the info for this wig will be in the description below. Shout out to Kelly. Y'all go follow her on her social medias. That info will be below as well. Thank you, SBM gang. We're still growing and growing. We're almost at 10K subscribers. Really, we're almost at 7K, but that's close to 10K, so there's no shade. Bye, y'all.